Hello from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Ford Focus here on the 2015-2016 plate. I'm just going to show you how to reset the oil service thing on this. So if you see in the middle right there, you'll see the sign come up for the oil change. That's it. So to do it, it is quite simple. All you got to do, press the brake first and then the accelerator for 25 seconds. It has to be 25 seconds. So you can see the oil reset is in progress. Once that's completed, it is quite a quick reset procedure on this anyway, so shouldn't be a problem. That's it, oil reset complete. What I now do is switch the ignition off, switch the ignition on. That's it, that's all done. On this particular model, if there is anything else you need to know, do check out the playlist for Fords and a playlist for service reset if you've got any other vehicle, whatever, and the bulbs and stuff. So you can check them out. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.